Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add an adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. In the project panel, click the new item icon at the bottom and choose adjustment layer. Make sure it matches your sequence settings, then click OK. Now drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline above the clips you want to affect. Select the adjustment layer and go to the effect controls panel. Now you can add any effect like lumetri, color, blur or sharpen. All clips under the adjustment layer will now inherit the effect. So that's it. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.